Hi, I'm here to just show my work. I've been doing learning HTML, CSS for the past week. Um, I had a little bit experience before, but I gave it up very easily because I felt like it's very difficult. But this time I pushed myself to learn more and actually dive into it. I started by learning how to make form using Code Academy, and those are the code, such as label and the input. Those two are the big ones. I can input character, input number, select yes or no, and choose, as well as making a, a data list or a text area, and then I can submit my code. Next thing I did, I watched this 6.5 hour YouTube course, 16 million views on it, and I followed it. I started by doing button, and then learn how to put paragraph. Also put a link, and this goes to YouTube, and those are the code, a paragraph, and the link. I then learn how to make buttons in different status. For example, for join, there's idle status, and when I hover on it, it's a different one. When I click on it, it's another one. So for buttons, those are the HTML code. I want to make it organized, so I put a CSS code into a different file. I can always combine them together into like next and left, but I feel like it's more organized to have a separate file. Like I said, those are three status: the regular one, the status, the idle one, the hover one, as well as the active one where you click on it. Again, this is more practice about a button. Here is the Flexbox. It's a practice that how to stretch and put different text or images into different position so that it's aligned in the middle, also on the left and right. This is the grid practice. Um, those grid can be images or text. This is another grid practice in actual prototype. This is a grid, it's a text, and this is another grid, and it's an image. Essentially, most of the websites, they're just grids combining together. And I also made a little prototype here that um, this is a grid with image and text on top of it. Again, another grid, text on the left, button, more grid. Those are just the big tags with pattern and border on the outside of it. And then the gallery, different grid. When I click merge, gets to be another one, which is those are just grid with text beneath it, with padding, border in between. And then tours. Those are just buttons I can click. And then I learned how to make a prototype that it looks like it is like a YouTube front face. How to make barcode on the left. How to put images in a grid with as much as details such as different type, different font, different typography with image. Also with search bar on the top, different buttons. And then I made my little website, another prototype, also was practice, with image in the back, about us, again, text, button, text, image, as well as background color. Another one, this is the menu, with the footers, and another website. I mean, right now AI is very useful, very fast to create a website, also portfolio. But I feel like it's important that I still learn how to make code, to learn how to use code. as much as possible, as detailed as possible, so that when a front end developer send me something I can understand, and then I can have a better communication with them. And that's pretty much it. Thank you very much.